Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the behavior, human factor which influence safety related behavior. You know that behavior behavior is a most important thing at a construction site. If you have provided everything and every health safety system manage at workplace, if not consider on human behavior, it may be lead to a serious injury at project. So behavior related, the safety related behavior is very important to observe and resolve and eliminate the behaviors at workplace. This is most thing. So guys, we have discussed about the behavior based safety, behavior influence of safety related the behavior at construction project. As you have a knowledge, then you can eliminate that hazards. Otherwise, it may be chances to accident at project. So as a safety professional, you should know that region of related behaviors. First things, we have behavior. What is behavior? Behavior is positive and negative. Positively, behaviors increase the health safety policy, health safety system at workplace. If anyone's negative cultures, ignorance of safety, that may be chance of serious accident at project. Behaviors also categorized in 3 division as per our experience at workplace. First, we have discussed the organization. Behavior means the organization, the individual, and that job. 3 things, 3 parts of very important which are defect to organization culture, influence of safety related the behavior. So organization factor means, what is organization factors which are impact related the occupational health safety management system. First, safety culture. If you are working a organization, a safety professional, any employee working at a organization, there need to be no cultures. How much cultures is there? Positive things and negative things. You know that every working place, culture most important to related the employee behaviors. Commitment and leadership. If a strong commitment by managing director, strong commitment by general manager, strong commitment by project manager, and leadership. This is also depend of behavior. Means if strong commitment, leadership, positive and negative both are identified. If a positive culture, strong commitment about the safety, about the work, and good leadership to improve the safety culture. If any negative cultures, ignorance of any task, that may be chance to defect your health safety culture. Resources available. If you are working a project, there is nothing resource, good resource, then this is a also consider related the influence of safety and behaviors of organization. This is main factors. Work pattern. Suppose that we are working 10 years old pattern. Today nowadays every organization's latest technology, latest technical of work are accordingly updated. So time to time update your pattern. Level of supervision depend on level of supervision. If organizations deploy resources everything but supervision is very poor at workplace, that may be a gap and may be chance of occurrence any incident. So peer group pressures also a factors of organization. Consultant and worker involvement, this is a factor of organization. Some organization, if you are working a safety profession, you know that some organization not do the involvement of workers because of work hindrance due to if workers gather on workplace. This is main things, or this is a factor of organization. And some place, some different organization, some behaviors will be there. Training is a organization factor. If you are working, maybe no any training times by workers, and also not considering some positive and negative, both are there. So this is a factor of organization. Second thing, job factor. Job factors is very important to define health safety at workplace. Task. If you are task, workload, environment, display, control and procedures. Task is very important. If you have capacity to 2 projects do in 1 year, if you are, and you are going to 10 project handling, then how can manage all these things? Some organization capacity 2 projects, they are going to 8 project. How to manage the occupational health safety management system? There is over of tasks. There are also lack of resources. There are environment culture will decrease, and poor environment will be display the control procedures. Also, if capacity more and more resources is nothing, then maybe procedures also break the safety rules regulation. Because of capacity is 5 kg, we are loading 25 kg, this will be not considered. So behavior is very important, and job factors also consider on behavior. Organization factor, job factor. Next we are going to discuss individual factor. What is individual factor? Individual factors also defect and influence of safety related the behaviors. Competency, individual factor, competency levels, knowledge, availability, training, experience. If you have deployed without competence person, then what happen? You think that what will happen at project? If you are provided drivers without license, without any experience, otherwise they have carried 2-wheeler bike, you have authorized to 4-wheeler 4 wheelers at project, then what may be chance of occurrence? Sorry, ability, knowledge, lack of trainings, also training experience. This is a individual factor. 4 factors will be there: competency, knowledge, ability, 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 training, experience, and skilled, personality, attitude, and motivation. This is a individual factor related to the human behaviors. Also, if you have a deploy at work organization, then you should know and resolve this type of factors negatively. If positively taking positive, then nothing any problems. But competence, attitude, personality, that may be defect. If observed negatively, then maybe defect your organization. After that, motivations, everything do that, attitudes, skills, how to check attitude, behaviors, attitude, think, attitude, person a point view or away, looking the some things, how they can think about the field. Suppose that one worker deploy for housekeeping work, 1, 2, 3 workers. Among worker deploy to housekeeping work, but their process, attitude of work, how to do. Some persons are going to directly remove the throwing materials, throwing dust, no mask, no use. But one person thinks is very good thinking. Some workers are using water sprinkling, using nose mask, using hand gloves. As company we have to provide it, but some workers not using. This is a attitude, think of view of work and think in mind, that called attitude. Attitude. So skilled is a, what is skilled? If any work related experience, you have experience to work, and proper skilled means technique to work, that called skilled. Personality, how to personality is very important. Personality is important individual factor. Personality, background, you have working a construction site, how many years working, and previous your personality depend on your previous culture. After that, motivations, I think that is a walking a person what they do. Individual factor is very important. Working a persons that do rewards, incentive, positive cultures, rewards, incentive. Suppose that you are think about positive and negative, both are mixed in this. If positive cultures, it's okay. If negative cultures grow, then this is a very high risky and risky to organization. Incentives of organization, every month giving incentive to workers because of deploy 2 manpowers, a work load of 5 manpowers, and workers doing the unsafely, then we have to complete that task at any cost, then we will receive a incentive. Means this is a positive, this is a not good cultures. So organization consider about the incentive with respect to health, safety, quality. Then you can motivate and give the incentive. So attitudes factors: education training, high impact intervention, enforcement, consultation, and involvement of this is also factor related the safety. Risk perception, the way a person's brain interpret information and sent to it by their sense. Means perception, way of person's thinking in minds, information sent to their sense, sight, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touch. This is a perception of risk observers. If you are observe that there is very health unhygienic condition, how to observe that? This is simple way of smelling. There is very big very pathetic smells coming, so this is a observation. Visually, if you are if you are seeing, so that any workers working without safety belt, that is a visually observation. Tested, if you are, how to test that? If you are going to test any machines, equipments that may be found of condition of machines. Suppose that we are going to inspection of cutting bending machines. Without testing, you have to check the test. We have to start the machines by operators and ask to him what is problem in this machine. That this is a procedure of observation. Touch, how to observe that there is hot work in progress, and nobody know there is hot work in progress. So maybe in some places, by touching inspection, you have to complete POP in one. Then how to check that? This is a very good. You can check it. This is a process of perception of risk perception and risk perception of observe, and this is a factor of influence of safety health. Factor that can distort a person's perceptions, hazard, and risk. This is also factors: illness, stress, fatigue, drug, alcohol, previous experience, trainings, education, use of PPE, and workplace conditions, and high noises. So guys, you know that this was a related the influence of safety and behavior. Suppose that 5 example will be shared with you. Accident happen due to unsafe act and condition. How to unsafe act and conditions happen? Due to lack of supervision and lack of workers behaviors. How to behaviors observe? Because of this is a generation, this is a previous experience to that is a behavior is very bad. After that culture, and it is generation of family. So guys, if you are a safety officer, you know that this is a how to identification of culture. If you are going to investigations any accident, there is 88% accident happen in our India because of lack of behaviors, poor behaviors, and lack of knowledge. Also behavior is very important if you are working a project. As a safety officer, safety managers, you should know that. Thanks. Today we have completed.